Someone's getting a visit from the shoebox fairy. And she's given us a special gift. A puppy! Aw, I'd say that this dog's a real good boy. But something tells me that it's a girl. Especially since she's having puppies. Aw, puppies, the gift that keeps on giving. Welcome to your new home, little mama. Here's something the vet ordered. Doggy medicine. Knew we should have led with a spoonful of sugar. Or kibble. How about we make things more comfortable? You're as snug as a bug in a rug. And more importantly, you need to stay warm and cozy. But our little perrito burrito needs special filling. Here, this baby bottle's just what you need. It's time for Doggy's daily massage. Come on, work those fingers. Take care of those knots. Massage those temples. She's gonna sleep good tonight. Pampering can be such a chore sometimes. Especially for him. But who said you were done?
Oh no!
Need a break? Well, we know someone who can take over. This dancing squid can release all your tension. And look pretty groovy while doing it too. Anyone in the mood for calamari? I think it's time for a little grooming. Show us those claws. We need to keep you in place in our new doggy bag. Come on, you'll fit right inside. Ooh, how's the weather up there? And now, a trimming we will go. Just in time, too. We're late for a very important date. Time for some fresh air. Touch some grass, little doggy. Or maybe some nice pavement. Wow, this show sure is getting good. It's so colorful and, you know, kind of relaxing. Puppy's dreaming she's under the sea. And you know what that means. Cue the bubbles. Anyone in the mood to burst some bubbles? Nothing beats some time in an octopus's garden. Even if it's only in your dreams. Ooh, now that's what I call a doggy bag. Oh no! Our precious food! Oh, Ben, watch your step. Well, hope you had a nice trip. But maybe we should find another way to give out the treats.
Wow!
Take this cool tool and fill it with kibble. It's so simple. Puppy just needs to lift a paw. And the food practically comes to her. It's so fun, she might almost forget to eat. Don't worry, this floor will be cleared in no time. Oh, Christmas came early. You've got a gift. Though I don't think he'll write you a thank you note. Oh, he didn't mean to be ungrateful. Maybe you can make it up to her somehow. How about a creepy crawly of your very own? It doubles as a great workout routine, too. After all, you really shouldn't forget leg day. Especially when you've got 4 of them. But be careful, this little guy can climb walls. Guess that's why they call it a climbing toy. Time for dessert. And have we got a menu? Of course, this pooch doesn't do chocolate. How about we have some fun with our food? Our starters, some kibble stuffed ravioli. Plus some kibble in the antipasti. And lattice pie. Don't forget the side salad. Always nice to have a balanced spread of kibble. Oh, so you already like the selection? Well, we've got another surprise up our sleeve. And it's got a lot of appeal. Mashed banana. Smashed right to table, with berries on top. Think she'll like it? She likes it! Puppy likes it! Her compliments to the chef. Puppy really needs to wipe her paws before coming in. Well, someday your prince will come.
Oh no!
Yeah. And it looks like that day is today. It also looks like today is someone's bath day. We've even got special dog shampoo to help. Mix it with water and make sure to get behind those ears. It usually isn't nice to spit, but this is for the greater good. You know the orders. Lather, rinse, repeat. Especially that last part. We want our pooch looking her best. Now things are gonna get wet around here real fast. All done. Let's wrap you up in a towel. Isn't it nice to have your own personal groomer? Everyone should be so lucky. Oh, who's a good girl? Oh, shedding season came early this year. The beard suits you, but there are other things we can do with hair.
Cool.
That's gotta hurt. Oh, wait, never mind. Fill up the pup.
Wow.
Now you'll always have a furry friend by your side. Pets might be cute, but they don't always make the best models. Never works with kids or animals. Don't worry, we just need to rethink this. This will give your pup that fresh kissed look. Now give your dog a treat, like their favorite gravy. And soon, your pup will be the next big social media star. Labubu's for sale. Who wants a Labubu? It comes in $150 and free. Let's give the free one a good home. Welcome home. You know, you can use a bath. Don't forget to brush all those pointy teeth. Soon you'll be a whole new Labuyu. Seriously. You're a regular pooch Pinocchio. And you've even got a new bed. Mia. Either she doesn't like that name, or she needs a new bed. Let's start with some doggy extensions. But this pup could sure use a new coat of paint. Why, you're a regular dog Ross. Now let's make this bed a little more comfortable. Wait a second. How is Mia gonna get in the bed? She's got an idea. To the bathroom. Just knew keeping cereal in here was a good idea. Well, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Besides, we can use the box. You got the toy out first, right? Well, take a bunch and cover them with colored tape. Stack them up, and soon Mia will be over the rainbow. Come on, Mia, step right on in. Now, step on out. It's time to eat. Now, who wants a snack? She's gonna sleep good tonight.
Oh no!
Didn't I tell you? But you really should pace yourself with treats. Probably shouldn't have left so much out. So why don't we build something to help? And we've got a crafter's best friend to help, cardboard. But maybe throw in an old plastic bottle half. Add some spray-on paint. And soon we're golden. This should really help to lend a paw. Press down, and the perfect portion comes out. Ah, there's nothing better than a free lunch. And speaking of paws, it's time for some stretching. Now trace it on our favorite thing, cardboard. Once you're done, the next step is cutting it out. It's like a cute muffin. Now cover it with foil. Next, cover it up with a new paper border. Wow, this new paw gets a seal of approval. Fill it with water, and it's Mia's new dish. It's got something to wash down all that kibble. Of course, water isn't bought, it's rented. So why don't we make you a private privy? Complete with a special doggy potty. We'll roll out the pink carpet just for you. Of course, dogs kind of prefer grass. A fire hydrant won't hurt, always a fan favorite. Come on, Mia, why don't you break it in? Okay, I'll get the bag, you get the scoop. Unless, of course, you have a better idea. By the looks of things, it seems like you do. Stack up 2 popcorn buckets, sans popcorn. Now why not add a fresh coat of blue? Your new trash can needs special stickers. Now grab your scoop. Ooh, a lobster. Well, sometimes you gotta get your paws dirty. Looks like Mia's been playing too rough with her toys. More importantly, she could use some new ones. But let's not give them to her all at once. We should try to make them last as much as possible. So she'll have to get them with our special toy machine. Twist the dial, and the new toy is all yours. Try it out. It's like a cuddly chicken nugget. But now it's time to have fun with slime. Uh-oh, you know what that means. Dirty paws. Actually, we can use it to finger paint. Add green lines, and it's like a flower bouquet. So much fun, you should give it a go too. Of course, the best projects are made together. Wow! A circus painting with a great big lion. I think his cousin was in The Wizard of Oz. But it seems like he's about to lose face. Let's give him a new one. And he looks great. Smile, Mia. Are you ready for your close-up? Okay, Mia. Why don't you enjoy all of your new digs? Of course, the part that she loves best of all is you.